Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Oculus Quest 2 account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your Meta Quest app on your mobile phone. Now right over here, skip this now, and this kind of interface gonna appear, right? For that matter, go ahead, tap on this menu icon in the bottom right. Now tap on the settings icon over here. Now you do have two options. You can also choose to simply delete your data by tapping on that, and tap on continue and simply remove your data. Now afterwards, if you simply want to delete your account completely, tap on this option of account settings, tap on continue, and now this will simply open up the browser. Now go ahead, tap on this account center of Meta and tap on this option of personal details. Now go ahead, tap on this option of account ownership and control and tap on deactivation or deletion. Now you have to choose your Meta account for the matter. Go ahead to choose, and now it's simply continue whether this is you or not, and simply have to review them manually or download the information accordingly, or tap on continue. Now go ahead, enter your password of your Meta account and tap on done, and then you will be able to remove your account, aka delete your account likewise over here. So that is the way for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.